Introducing the Exquisite. Versatile, eco-friendly, and affordable. The only electric mountain bike with multiple features and a self-recharging integrated system. Portable and easy to get ready for the action. Adjustable. Durable, strong construction and sleek design. Best transport choice and high performance. Custom colors available for everyone. For all terrains and conditions. And perfect for longer rides. Hidden power, energy saving, best quality parts. Heavy duty with full suspension. With cutting-edge technology and accessories. Easy to use and fast. With pedal assistance for uphill rides. Built-in USB to charge your phone batteries. From the hands of electric bike experts and manufacturers, with the best materials. We have given it our biggest effort and dedication to build a champion in its class. The Exquisite, the e-bike with innovative features you actually need. Enjoy life's adventures. The Exquisite.